Hey friends, it's Life with Tamika Lynn. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. It's Monday, December 30th, and I am just enjoying a cup of coffee. I have been up since maybe around 6. Our little one, I took her to daycare, and then we needed to drop my car off to the dealership to get serviced, and then I picked up a rental. I needed a bigger SUV. My son and his wife are in town and they leave tomorrow. So we're gonna like do some stuff and get them back to the airport. So I wanted to have more space. So yeah, I picked up a rental just for a few days. So I am back home now. I'm the only one up. My other daughter and my son and his wife, everyone is asleep. My husband's at work, so the house is like really quiet. My dog is at the window at the back door asking to come in, but you'll hear her footsteps in the video, so I won't let her come in. So, next up on the agenda, we're gonna go find lunch somewhere. A little later, I have a 10:30 eyebrow appointment. I'm trying someone that I used several years ago. I found her again, so I'm gonna try her this morning because my eyebrows are shot. Like they are so uneven. So hopefully she can like get them to look like, distant cousins at least. I mean, I don't think she can make them look like sisters, but right now they look like neighbors who live on like two different streets who haven't talked in like 20 years. But so after I get my eyebrows done, we'll grab lunch somewhere. And then after that, I have a return to make at the mall. I actually have a turn. I have a return for Target too, but I think I'm gonna wait till next week to go in Target when the crowd kind of like dies down because Target has like the holiday clearance right now. So, and Walmart does too. So those stores have been like really busy. I went the day after Christmas, but the stuff that they had left, it was like picked over, so it wasn't really anything for me worth buying. I bought like cleaning supplies that were on clearance, but nothing really more than that. So yeah, I have like two things to return at Target. We bought my daughter, she wanted a like keyboard for Christmas. So we bought it. My son ended up buying it as well. So we're returning the one we bought. And then there was another gift that was like a double gift. So we're returning ours. And then after that, I don't know what we're going to do this afternoon. Probably guessed it, but the bag of the day will be the beautiful Pochette Matisse in reverse monogram. I have on black and some black and white striped yoga pants, and I'll probably keep this on. It's like a chill day. I don't honestly feel like getting like dressed up. I'll save that for tomorrow, New Year's Eve. But this bag, it coordinates with what I'm wearing, so I'll just continue to keep this bag for today, but I'll probably switch out for tomorrow. But yeah, so I will talk to you guys shortly. I hope, like I said, you're having a wonderful day, and let's see where the rest of the day takes me.
When last time you did them?
Maybe like 3 weeks ago.
Okay, you know what I'm thinking about? This is just an optional. Maybe I should leave this. Maybe it can match this. This is a good one. This one is good fit. Oh, the only thing you need here, maybe right here. So that is possibility. I mean, this is very nice and thick, and I can arch it. This thinner and lift it. So I want a hair. I need hair on this one. So far it's only few hair here, not much. So I don't know if it's going to grow. Do you mind if we give it a chance? To
Yeah.
give it like another 3 weeks and we'll come back and we see. If it get better and fuller, then we are a winner. And we can just get both of them to be thicker and arched.
Okay.
If not, forgive me. We have to pluck whatever thin hair and we follow what is left.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you take any biotin? Any? Good job. Good job. Continue. Maybe that will help.
So I just finished with my threading appointment. and it was so good. My eyebrows, they look really good. She did have to do some filling right here because they're still quite uneven. So she wants to allow me, she wants me to let them grow a couple more weeks before she goes in and tries to like truly define them. So she filled them in, you know, with the pencil somewhat, just to try to even them out for the time being. But I am so, so happy. I absolutely love like that small town feel, if that makes sense. Like my eyebrows, my nails, my hair, like I don't like I don't know how to say it, like mass, like big salons, if that makes sense. Like my nail salon for several years, like it's been like one-on-one, right? I enjoy that. The same with like my hair, small salon. And I've tried to find that over the years. Growing up, like I had the same stylist for like years and years and years. And then I eventually moved. She eventually moved, but I would still travel home just to get my hair done every like couple weeks. I mean, some people might think that's wasteful, but that's just what I do, right? She eventually moved to Atlanta, so I haven't seen her since I've been back, but I absolutely loved her. And like my hair was healthy, like she's just like amazing, right? So I'm the type of person, like when I find something that works for me and it's really, really good, I tend to stick with it and I just make it work in my schedule. I make it work with my lifestyle, right? So my threading lady, I went to her years ago, and then, you know, we moved and I wasn't sure if she was still in the area. And it just so happens like the other day I came across her profile again and I called her and was like, hey, I really, really need your help. And I'm so glad that I found her again. So, my eyebrows, yeah, they look so good. I have to wait a few weeks to see how they're going to grow out, but I'm hoping that, you know, long term we can kind of get them at the right shape, and you know, it requires way less maintenance. But yeah, so I'm happy. Next we're gonna head to lunch. I'm gonna go by and pick up my daughter-in-law and my daughter, and we're gonna go get some lunch. So all right.
Saw your picture on my timeline.